Today is an international conference. It's eScience conference. We have also some volunteers here. Wow, the venue is so amazing. Okay, finally we arrived on 3rd floor. Here is the conference room. We are going to enter here. Basically, I need to introduce something. We are working on batteries. Like our research area is on batteries. Too many companies, advertisement. But I need to follow my friend. So here we can receive a lot of gifts just for scanning a code. So here we are entering conference room. You can see. Oh my God, too many people. Huge. They came from different cities and from different schools. Basically, our university is representing our university.
迈克·琼·萨瓦洛特的教授，欧洲科学院院士、比利时罗根大学 John Hopkins 教授，南开大学党委书记杨庆山教授，同时还有700多位国家高层次人才，国家4